everyone, my name is Shrishtajit Bhadra, and I'm going to teach you the very basics of Python along with Rishi Naskar. We will start off from the extreme basics, as many of you may not know Python, but let's not wait anymore. Let's get started. So to get things going, I have a question for you, and that is, what is Python to you? Well, if you Google it, you will find that the answer is Python is an interpreted, high-level programming language which is finding growing use day by day. Now, the words interpreted and high level may seem a bit complex for some of you who are new to this topic, but don't worry, I'll make it quite simple. Let me ask you another question. Can a computer understand the programming language that we write? Sadly, the answer is no. The programming languages that we use nowadays are written mainly using the normal English language, which is not readable for the computer. It can only understand strings of zeros and ones, which is known as binary. Binary is also called machine language. So how does the computer understand the programs that we write? There are certain programs that convert the code that we write in any fourth generation or high-level language into low-level machine language. So the two programs that convert the code that we write in any fourth generation or high-level language into low-level machine language are called interpreters and compilers. So what is the difference between the two? A compiler reads the entire file and gives the output in one go. However, an interpreter reads each line and then gives the output of that particular line. To make this clear, let us take an example. Let us take the statement A equals 2, and in the next line we write print A. What a compiler would do is that it would take the entire file and execute every line as a whole. On the other hand, an interpreter would take each line at a time and then execute it before going to the next line. Python is available as an interpreter as well as a compiler. Python has different kinds of interpreters. Nishit will take us through each of them.
Okay, so we're talking about various interpreters of Python. Let's have a look at each of them. So the first interpreter I want to talk about is the CPython interpreter. So the CPython interpreter, as you can understand from the name, is written in the C programming language, and it has partially C++, as you can see, but most of it is Python and C. To download this, we can go to the GitHub page, which is github.com Python CPython, and then you click on this code icon with the download sign over here, and then we'll get a link open with GitHub Desktop. If you have GitHub Desktop, you can install it there, and you can also download a zip file, but it's too complex, right? But you have to extract the zip file then. But an easier method to download CPython or C interpreter for Python is to go to python.org website, go to document or go to downloads, and then go to download for Windows to Python 3.8.5, which is the latest version of Python, which is the latest at the time of this video. Now, another interpreter for Python is the JPython interpreter. Then before that, we need to go to github.com JPython, and then we go to code. Then we'll see a download sign over here. Same method, we need to click on download zip file. Another interpreter is the Arden interpreter, which is the Python programming language. The Python interpreter, which is designed in the .NET framework. This is an open source implementation of the Python programming language, the .NET platform. And to download it, we can go to download Arden Python, and the version, the latest version at the time of this video is 2.7.10. Which is released in 2024, 27th of the 4th month. And then we need to click on download, and then go to Arden Python. Download, it will be click on this link, will take us to the GitHub page. From there, we need to download the same steps.
After we execute a piece of code, the Python file is sent to an interpreter or a compiler which sends it to a compiling program. The compiling program converts it into strings of zeros and ones and finally supplies it to the computer. The computer, after fetching the desired output, sends it again to the interpreting program, which converts it into the English language, and in the final step, supplies it to the computer, which prints the final output. Thank you and subscribe, and hit the like button to stay updated with us.